Hi garden friends! Are you impatiently waiting for spring to show up so you can run to the local nursery and see what new plants have arrived? Same. Well, today you're in luck. I'm heading out to a local nursery for an after-hours event, and I'm on the hunt for 3 winter blooming plants. Hellebore, which is also known as Lenten rose, Sarcacocca, which is also known as Sweetbox, and Edgeworthia, which is also known as the paper bush. Are you searching for any winter blooming plants? Let me know in the comments. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you what treasures I came home with and why. So let's go, shall we? Well, there's a huge variety of hellebores out here. I want to say that there's at least a dozen varieties, and some of them don't have flowers. But that is confetti cake. And they even have a black one. Beautiful. Now this one's called cotton candy. Look how beautiful that is. And there's the name there, cotton candy. Here is peppermint ice. Like I said, not all of them have flowers on the plants, but they have a nice tag here that shows the photo. This one is called Sparkling Diamond. And here's a particularly beautiful one. It's called Shotgun Wedding. That is, that's what that one's called. That's a beautiful, beautiful one, isn't it? And Frost Kiss Molly's White. Beautiful. And this one is called, Frost Kiss Glenda's Gloss. That's beautiful. How about Sparkling Diamond? That's a beauty too. Well, I can take you through a quick tour of what this garden is all about. We got quite a few twists and turns here. Look at all those ornamental grasses. Aren't those beautiful? We've got a variety of large trees here. Look at that bark. That is so, so beautiful. And how nice it is to walk through a beautiful garden. Look at those trees. Absolutely gorgeous, huh? This grove of trees is just spectacular, isn't it? Even without any leaves on it. I think it's beautiful. I mean, what a view, huh? Absolutely gorgeous. So they've got several walking paths here. So we'll just take this one and see where it leads us. They've got a variety of hardscaping to include bricks, stone, and some rocks. They've even used some trees, the logs, for seating. And people are just really out enjoying the day on this beautiful January afternoon. It couldn't be more spectacular. And I believe this is Nandina with this bit of red leaves on it. And this garden is absolutely spectacular in the summertime too. Lots of places to sit down. They've got their arbors here. Nice for seating. It's beautiful. And I love these walking paths. They're grass, of course. It's gorgeous. And here's a nice sitting area. You could sit and contemplate about what your garden plans are. Well, this is a beautiful plant. Edgeworthia. You can see that little bud there. That's going to bloom pretty soon. Well, here's just a small sampling of some of the items that they have for sale. And here's a plant that I've been looking for. And it's a Sweetbox. It's very fragrant. It is an evergreen. And it's got little white flowers on it. Very nice. I'm tempted. It's going to take me a while to get my purchases made. Look at that line. Now this hellebore is in my own garden. And the name of it is called Sally's Shell. Imagine that. I have a hellebore named after me. Spectacular. That's awesome. Well, I brought home 3 treasures today, and they're all Sarcacocca plants or Sweetbox plants. Now they've got beautiful white blooms on them that are fragrant, and I will be planting them near my front porch. They also have blackberries on them for the birds. They grow in part shade, which is perfect for where my front porch is. They get about 3 feet tall and 5 feet wide. They're evergreen. They're a little slow growing, so I'm going to have to be patient. Well, I had a spectacular day at the nursery. I hope you're having a great gardening day. Catch you in the next one.